Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to build a landing page on Mailchimp. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my username and password here. Once you're inside your account, to create a landing page, just hit this create button. Select landing page. Give your landing page a name, for example, Ben's free guide. Select the audience you want to use for this landing page and hit this begin button. There are many templates or landing page templates you can select. This is a new lead generation template. Let's try it. Click on it and you will be sent to this landing page editor page. To edit an element on your landing page, just select it like that, and on the right you can edit. For example, this photo, you can replace it just like that. Upload your photo from your computer and select it for use it, for example, like that. You can edit the size of your photo. You can also link a photo to an address, even an email address or an anchor link on the same page, or another file to download, for example. Now, to edit this big title, just click on it and you can edit it. For example, check out my free guide below. Now, same thing with this paragraph. You can just select it. You can edit your text just like that. You can add a link to your text. You can add a photo like that. Give image. You can resize your photo now. Let's give it 100 or 200. And you can also add a link to this page. Click on save and insert image. You can, let's put this here. You can also, and this is the important element of your page, which is the form that you will use to collect your subscribers. Click on it. If you want to collect more than the email address, just check this box next to the information that you want to collect on your subscribers. You can also make this field required, simply like that. And to edit the text on this page, just scroll down a little bit and you can edit it just like that, or send it to me. You can also edit the action that will be triggered after a successful form submission. You can select between sending them to the Mailchimp confirmation message page or to a different or to a custom page like a thank you page on your website. I recommend you to work with custom thank you pages. If you're like me and you use double opt-in, which means that your subscribers are required to confirm their email addresses before joining your list, I recommend you for this page to have something, for example, like almost done. This is the steps that you need to be subscribed. For example, 1, check your inbox. 2, open my message. 3, click on the confirmation button or the link, for example. Now let's see how to delete an element on our page. Let's delete this about us page. Just select it and click on this delete icon. Confirm your selection, and this is how. On the other hand, if you want to add a new element that is not existing on your page, just select it from this page. Let's go with this button, for example. Just drag and move it just like that, and you can start editing the block by selecting it first, then editing it from the right side of your page. Now let's see this element. This is an image plus text block. So with this photo, you can only replace it, edit it, or edit its link. And this is where you can edit this text. And to move to the second columns, just switch between the columns from here. And below the photos you have the social links. To edit one of these icons, just click on the block element and type your social links here. You can also add another social link. For select the Reddit, for example, edit your link. After editing your page, click on the save and close button. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now you can give your landing page a title and a site icon. Click on this edit title and icon. The title is good, and for the icon I will upload or create a new one. This is a cool website that you can use to create favicons for your websites. It's called favicon.io. Visit it, go to generator, give your icon, for example, a text. I will go with the letter B. Edit your icon or the letter size. Select your icon colors. I will go with black and white. As you can see, you can preview it directly here. Now let's download this icon. Let's open it to unzip it. I don't know where to put this camera. Now click on this upload icon, locate your favicon on your computer and double click it just like that. This is how to edit the icon of your landing page. Click on save. You can also edit the URL of your landing page. I recommend you to connect your domain with your Mailchimp to use it for your landing page. It gives your website visitors more trust to stay on the same domain. And here you can edit your landing page name or title. You can also edit the audience and the tag. I will use the same audience, and for the tags you can select one of the tags on your account, for example book one buyer. If you want to edit something on your design, you can still edit your landing page. Just click on this edit landing page design and you will return on the same previous page. Now to publish your landing page, just click on this publish button like that. As you see, your page is live. To visit it, just click on this link and it will be opened in a new tab. And this is your landing page live. And this is how to build a landing page on Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.